Hey lovers out there! Welcome back to my channel and happy Valentine's Day to all of you. And today I am going to show you how to make spaghetti al ubriaco or drunken spaghetti or the famous red wine spaghetti. This is a very controversial pasta recipe, as you might know. I've seen it all over the internet, I've seen it in YouTube, and I've read some bad comments about this pasta dish. Because today is Love Day and everything is controversial, so I am trying to give it a go, and let's make this recipe and let's get cooking. To start off, we have some garlic here and we're gonna chop some garlic. So we're gonna fairly chop some garlic. So we've added the garlic into the pan, and as you can see, the pan is off. So today I'm using olive oil from Turkey. It's from Gemlik, and I would like to say thank you, Mr. Tambi, for sending me this olive oil. And today we are going to use it to our red wine dish. So we're gonna put up maybe 3 tablespoons of good olive oil. Gonna turn the pan on a very low heat. And while my garlic is doing its own thing here, I have salted water here, and we're gonna cook the spaghetti to almost al dente. While we're waiting for the spaghetti to cook right there, I have some oregano here, so we're gonna chop up the leaves. So oregano has this nice citrusy flavor. Which is very, very good in most of the Italian dishes and some pasta dishes. I love it. So we're just gonna roughly chop it. So half of the chopped oregano goes into the pan. You can see it's sizzling now. And some chili flakes. I want a little bit of a heat. And let's give them some love right there. As you can see now, the garlic is cooking away, the oregano is infusing all these lovely flavors. So now, the next bit, the star of the show, red wine. And today we are using a wine from Umbria. Actually, you don't need to use a fancy wine to cook this dish. Cheap wine will do, but what is Valentine's Day without a fancy, oops, that's my spaghetti right there. Oh, so what is Valentine's Day without a good red wine? So this is from Umbria, Italy, and I'm using a 2014 Amarene Italian wine from Umbria. Shout out to Miss Flores for this. So we're gonna use maybe 3 tablespoons of 1 cup of red wine. So we're gonna turn the heat off. So now, as I've said a while ago, I've said earlier, we're gonna cook the spaghetti almost al dente. Not cooked, almost cooked. And now that the sauce is coming up to a boil, we're also gonna give a little bit some love, so be careful. So now our sauce is come to boil. We're gonna add the spaghetti into our sauce and we will cook it from there. It's too far away, so I'm gonna let it move it closer. So we're gonna continue cooking the spaghetti into our red wine sauce until we achieve this luscious, sexy ruby red color. We need to always stir it and give it some little love and make sure that it's not gonna stick at the bottom of the pan. So guys, what is your plan this evening with your loved one? Where are you gonna go? So while the spaghetti is soaking up all the red wine, I'm gonna get some red wine and get myself a glass of red wine. This is really good. As you can see, all the wine has been soaked up. So we will add a touch of olive oil and parmesan cheese, so it has a creaminess and silkiness. And you can see the nice texture of the spaghetti. Just a touch. Yes. As you can see, it's becoming creamy now. And a little bit of olive oil. A little bit of parmesan cheese. Parmesan cheese. And then now it's the time we're gonna season the spaghetti. So just a little bit of sea salt. And we add our oregano that I've chopped a while ago. And some pepper. So now we will give this a good love for the last time. We will plate it and serve it and taste it. As you can see, this is just so sexy for me. It's a ruby red. And it's an interesting pasta dish. Yeah, babe, look at that. I've chopped up some fresh oregano and flat parsley to add some color to the dish. That's how we do it. So guys, this is my spaghetti al ubriaca or red wine spaghetti. So let's taste it now. I must say, look at the spaghetti. It's very sexy ruby red spaghetti. Perfect for the Valentines. Wow, this is such a very interesting dish. The red wine is not overpowering the flavor of the garlic, the oregano, and the chili all together. It's absolutely delicious, guys. So if you're still here, please don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you like this recipe video. And all the written recipe will be written at www.ceskitchen.com. And till my next recipe and happy Valentine's Day to you all. Because I will always make you food that will always make you feel good. Ciao and arrivederci. To start off this recipe, we're gonna chop some onions. I think I would rather prefer what we did before.
Is it not garlic?